Hello everyone, today we are going to be talking about the cell and its components. So this is the first part of this cell of the cell because it's a really big concept and explaining it to you in one posture is really hard. So we're gonna do this in two parts, actually more than two if we decide to like specifics like the nucleus. If we go deeper into each concept like nucleus, mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosomes, so maybe we'll do more than that, but for sure we're doing two parts. This is the first part. It's about eukaryote cells, and yeah, let's get started. So first, let's talk about what is a cell. A cell is the basic living component. It is the basic building block for every living thing in this universe. So everything that is living is made up of cells. There are two types of living creatures. One is unicellular and one is multicellular. So the multicellular living things like humans, animals, plants, all of these, and plants, not a lot of plants, but humans and any animal and mammal, all of them are made up of like humans, birds, you get the point, are made up of eukaryotic cells, and the unicellular are like amoeba and bacteria. So all of, and eggs. Matter of fact, eggs are also single cell, which is like but really big, but it is a single cell made of a single cell. So ostrich eggs, um, what do you say, chicken eggs, so everything. So the eukaryotic cells is what we're going to be talking about today. Next part we're going to talk about the prokaryotic. Okay, let's get started. The components of a eukaryotic cell are mitochondria, nucleus, cytoplasm. The nucleus and the cytoplasm together are called the protoplasm. Then we have chromosome, lysosomes, and ribosomes. So this is not all of them, as I said, different parts, but this is the basic understanding of all of them. And what we're gonna do in this is only we're gonna talk about these ones right now, and next part maybe we'll go deeper into nucleus and everything, which has more parts. Okay, but these are the main parts. The main difference between a unicellular and between eukaryotic and a prokaryotic cell is the prokaryotic cell does not have any membrane bound what do you say, or cell organelles. Organelles is mitochondria ले लो, nucleus ले लो, cytoplasm ले लो, lysosome, all of these the prokaryotic cell does not have. Okay, so let's get started. First we have the mitochondria. The mitochondria is very famous actually. It creates usable energy for the cell, and it is known as the powerhouse of the cell. The nucleus manages the thinking. Nucleus is basically the brain of the cell. It manages what everything does, when everything does, and when stuff needs to go out. So it's considered as a brain. And so inside the nucleus there is a component called chromosomes hold your hereditary material. So the stuff that you get from your parents, like if your parents have blue eyes, then the fact that you will have blue eyes is inside these chromosomes. Okay, then we have lysosomes and ribosomes. Lysosomes is known as the trash collector of the cell, and this part of the cell cleans and gets rid of dead or unusable parts of the, like, unusable cell organelles. So lysosomes sometimes normally it just takes out, like for example if we say the one specific ribosome is not working. ठीक है, so the lysosome will go and remove the one ribosomes, and it will remove that. And in extreme cases, like for example if you get like a virus, so what happens is the lysosomes in that case they go in the center of the cell and they explode. So they explode, why? Because it would be much better if you keep one cell, and you don't if you destroy one cell and save the rest, because the virus will spread through cells only. So lysosomes in extreme cases can have the power to completely finish the cell. Okay, so that is the basic understanding of cell, eukaryotic cell. yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.